Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So nice to see you all again. Today I'm going to show you my favorite clips, and it's lots of cool things. No music today, all engine sounds. A cool video. Please make sure that you go to my video description and you will find a ton of affiliate links. The things I like, the things I use for my video, the things I film with, my favorite books like the Barry's ones, the camera that I use, a small one, you know, all those things. You find the links to my affiliate site. So take a look and buy something. It will help the channel. So tag along. It's going to be a fun one. Thank you. All that is left for me to say now is thank you. Thank you for your subscriptions, your comments, your likes, your sharing, everything. Really helps the channel. Like I said, go to my video description and find the affiliate links where you can buy camera equipment, cool books, you name it. You'll find it there. And I will get a small percentage that will help the channel grow. Thank you, and I will see you next Friday. Thank you.